Welcome back, fungi friends. Check out these beautiful liquid culture lids. Want to make your own? Stick around, we'll show you exactly how. For this do-it-yourself tech project, you'll need a mason jar lid, injection port, air exchange, PTFE, syringe filter, lure locking bulkheads, high temp, flex tubing, and high temp silicone. Let's get into it now. You can find these supplies and others similar on our Mushroom Network marketplace. Alright, gather round. We're going to let you in on a little secret. You see, during our initial recording of this how-to video, we got a bit carried away with our excitement. We jumped ahead and started installing components and adding silicone before drilling all the holes. Talk about putting the cart before the horse, right? Don't be like us. In this one video take. Do it the smart way, the efficient way, the Mushroom Network way. Drill all 3 holes first. Yes, you heard it right, folks. Holes first. But hey, no one's perfect. We're all here learning and growing together, one mushroom, or in this case, one hole at a time. Focus first on the center hole for the lure lock. That's a 1/4 of an inch drill bit, but you'll need to expand it slightly for a nice snug fit. Next up is the 1/2 inch hole for the injection port. The final hole is a precise size of 5/32 of an inch drill bit. It should be evenly placed between the center and the edge of the jar lid, for where the air filter will be installed later. Install the injection port first. Then the syringe air filter. And lastly, the lure lock system. You should then add a silicone bead to the female bulkhead. This little trick helps the 2 lure locks to lock together permanently, and also pre-seals the hole. Another pro tip, when dealing with silicone in small spaces, use a syringe. Let them dry. Then apply a small bead of silicone around the high temp tubing attached to the lure lock system. Add an exterior heat resistant silicone layer for extra strength. On the outside, keep a lure locking syringe, a stopper, or a cock stopper to prevent contamination from entering. You didn't think we'd forget about that, did you? If this seems a bit overwhelming, don't worry. Our marketplace has mycologist vendors that have pre-made liquid culture jar lids ready for your master cultures, alongside other do-it-yourself kits. But hurry, they're selling like hotcakes. If you've enjoyed this DIY tech journey, there's plenty more where that came from. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel before jumping over to the Mushroom Network. We love hearing from our patrons and spreading knowledge and awareness. Join us again for more mushroom magic. And remember, the world is full of spores. Let's cultivate. Together we grow. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off for now.